I'm in a 2012 Ford Fiesta. We have no keys. We're just going to do an add key with a non-remote key. Key's on. You can see the security lights blinking. Brand new key. Do it forward. Fiesta. $12. Two keys, plenty of room left. Okay, we're gonna remove the key. Okay, we gotta turn it back on. Number of keys, 1. All right, check our key count. There it is, we're all done. Okay, we're at the tail end of this 18 Toyota RAV4 for the immobilizer 16-minute reset. In just a minute, the reset immobilizer function is going to be complete. It'll have 0 keys in the memory, and then we're going to program this used but reset OEM fob to the vehicle's memory. All right, complete. Go back. We'll check our key count. Perfect, 0 keys. Program key. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, touch a switch. 2 beeps. That's successful. Hit OK. Number of keys, 1. Procedure complete. The OBD2 port right under there. You can see there. Let's go in and unhook. All right. And let's see if it turns on. And there we go. All done.